Hi, welcome back to my channel, and that was really fortuitous. I've just finished the filming of my Tabitha t-shirt So Long, and look what's come. I couldn't believe it. So I got a message when I was filming the end of the vlog about the t-shirt to say we have delivered your parcel. I saw it come up on the side of the phone and I'm like, no you haven't, but trying to talk to camera at the same time. So yeah, here goes. I can't get into this quick enough, to be honest. Oh fab, another pink box, another lovely box. I've started keeping things like interfacing and bits and pieces in these boxes up on top of my dresser there, and they look really nice. Add a splash of colour. So let's just get straight in. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, the tissue is lovely. Oh, that's really nice tissue. You won't be able to see it. It's all glittery. Look. Can you see that? Can you see the glittery bits? It's really sweet. And all right, so we've got like a thing on they've started putting things on the back of the sheets that you get with it. Thank you for purchasing, 2.5 meters of viscose fabric. There are 3 colours available this month. Right, and then of course you get the code to scan. I don't want to rip a hole in that tissue, but oh, I hope Ruan, the Yorkshire Soul Girl, gets this one. I really, well, if it's all this sort of pattern, then because it's like an animal-y print. I'll just go in and show you the material straight away because I know that's what you want to see. Oh wow, oh it's gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, the feel of it, man, it's just, I know it's viscose, but it's almost silky. It's almost like satiny. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, now I'm so excited to sew something up in this. But I know Ruan likes an animal print, and Adele from So Serenity likes an animal print, so they're going to be, I like an animal print to be fair, but they're going to be chuffed to bits with that, isn't that? I just wish you could feel how smooth and soft this is. It's not like, what is it, particular sort of? Just says viscose fabric, 100% viscose, but it's really, it might be a bit of a monkey to sew because it's like slippy, you know, like really slippy. But oh, that's lovely. That's really nice. Oh, I'm thinking a pair of trousers, like some Sophia trousers or something from Tilly and the Buttons. Yeah, I've got something very similar, like a viscose, very similar, with a more of a leopard print, more of a sort of a general leopard print. And I made the jumpsuit, Paper Theory. The jumpsuit everybody makes. Oh, I can't remember the name of it now. Anyway, I made that. So I've got something in that. But yeah, like a pair of trousers in that, I think would look quite nice, because then you could just wear like any of those colours. Like you could wear like a white t-shirt with it, black, brown, beige, like goldy colour. There's like a lovely goldy lemony yellow colour in there. Any colour would go with that for summer, and a pair of like big wide floaty pants like the Sophia trousers are in the Tilly and the Buttons book would be, yeah, fantastic in that. So to the treats, to the treats, isn't that cool? Oh, just love it, absolutely love it. And there's more thread. Fred the thread. I'll take care not to drop that one in the dog's water bowl like I did with the last one. Oh, So we've got, I can't even say that. It's Irish chocolates and white chocolate, cookies and cream, honeycomb hex. I mean, it's chocolate. What's there to say? Thanks for picking me up, and thanks for reading that we're all about thanks at the name that I can't pronounce. In fact, our name comes from the Irish word for gratitude. Ah, well, there you go. No doubt Andrea will be able to tell us how to pronounce it properly. Can't get into it though. Oh, it's all stuck down. Never mind. I'm sure it'll be delish. White chocolate. I mean, white chocolate, you know. It will be delish. Of course, it's chocolate. And we've got here. Oh, and I've got some snaps this time. And actually, I have a lot of metal snaps, but I don't have a lot of plastic ones, so they will actually come in really handy. They're little tiny ones as well. So, you know, if you had like a Breton top with buttons there, you could put snaps on instead, like a t-shirt. You could put them on the t-shirt, or baby grows or something like that. Something in like a little garment, I would say. Yeah. So great. That's absolutely fab. And yeah, that's it. That's excitement over. Excitement over. I just need to get this uploaded now. The postcard says, if plan A didn't work, the alphabet has 25 more letters. Stay cool. Yeah, I like that. That's great. Okay, so another unboxing done. I'm just gonna get out. I might even start cutting this out. I just love this so much, so much. Next time you see me, I'll be in full leopard print regalia. I'm sure. Yeah. Let me know if you get one of these boxes and what you think of the material. I know one of my viewers was waiting for hers. The lady who wrestles the postman to the floor every time he comes with the subscription box. So let me know what you think of your material, and if you got one of the other colourways and what it was like. But I'm absolutely pleased as punch for that. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you so much. I always forget to say thank you to Andrea. But yeah, great choice again. Yeah, you're a marvel. You're a marvel woman. Thank you so much. Take care, everybody. See you soon.